Hey guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1964 and 65 Chevelle partial and complete quarter panels by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Our partial quarter panels measure 88 inches long by 25 inches tall and can be used on both coupe and convertible models. If a full replacement is needed, we offer complete quarter panels for coupes, and they include the sail panels, door jamb, and rear corners. Each panel is stamped from 20 gauge steel using factory specifications for perfect fitment. At the end of the production line, every panel is finished with electro deposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coating protects against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your quarter panel without worrying about potential rust. We featured the partial quarter panels on our 1965 Malibu SS convertible that we debuted at the SEMA show back in 2012, drawing a lot of attention. 7 years later, and the panels still look clean as ever. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.